Okay, so we're going to get into installing the pressure balance valve, what to consider, how to solder all the lines, and how to work. Well, that doesn't make any sense. How to work. Okay guys, so we're in my house in the main bathroom and we're gonna set this shower valve. What we've done here is we have a minimum maximum given by the manufacturer of where the finish wall needs to be set, meaning where the face of that tile, where that needs to land. We need to fall within that minimum maximum to make sure that the escutcheon plate and the handle, all the threads, everything that keeps it together will actually fit. Too far in, we don't have enough thread, the escutcheon plate won't fit. Too far out, basically it's going to push everything away from the wall and you're going to have to make adjustments, build up the wall. You just don't want to do that. So take your time now, make sure you know what you're doing before you set anything permanently and start sweating all your fittings. So that's step number one, making sure this is at the proper depth in your wall and really the proper height, what's comfortable for you. Also check your local building codes. It may dictate in there what you really need to do. But for me, this is what's comfortable. We are going to be building up the floor, so we've taken all of that into consideration. So step number two, we have actually dry fit all of the water lines, hot and cold. We are going to start with the brass fitting and work our way away. We are going to work away from the pressure balance valve so we don't burn anything inside. And the reason being is there are plastic fittings and rubber O-rings in here that we don't want to damage because that's going to stop it from leaking. So we have to start with cleaning the brass fittings, cleaning the copper fittings. We are going to flux everything. Now you can work ahead and kind of do that, or you can do it one piece at a time, whichever is more comfortable for you. So. All right guys, we're all done. We've gone over installing the pressure balance valve, soldering all the copper, and you're pretty much ready for the next step, which is going to be tile. So, have any questions? Leave them in the comments below, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.